my channel. This is Ogomwadi. Happy Vlogmas! I am so excited that I am participating in Vlogmas 2020. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Christmas cookie. This is not a cookie I make all the time. It's only for, seasonal period. And this is Yuletide season. So I'm going to show you how I make mine and my secret ingredient that makes it soft and moist inside and crunchy outside. Let me show you the ingredients. Okay, over here are the ingredients. I have my chocolate chip. This is like a cup and a quarter. To that, I have light brown sugar, half a cup. I have granulated sugar, half a cup. I have 4 ounces of butter. This is room temperature butter, unsalted. This is like 1 stick of a butter. This butter, just 1 stick of it. And of course, I'm going to be using 1 egg, also in room temperature. I'm going to be using cornstarch. That's the secret. I added in the middle to help the middle of the cookie stay, moist and very soft. Of course, we're going to be needing salt, like half a teaspoon. I already measured them out. And 1 cup and a quarter of a all-purpose flour. Here, I'm gonna sift it in so I can have a smooth batter. Oh, let me not forget vanilla. I'm gonna be needing like a teaspoon of vanilla for this. And of course, your spatula. You preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you start mixing. So let's go into mixing our batter. Let me put on my apron since we're in Vlogmas. Let's be a little professional. Okay. So the first thing, I'm sifting the flour, like I said. I think it's easier this way. It's always good to sift your flour, Makes whatever you're baking come out smooth. Look at all that. Look at all that roughness. Look at all that. Alright. So we're gonna add the butter. When you have your butter in room temperature, you get the best result. What we're doing now is we're gonna mix the butter and the sugars. You can use your hand mixer or you use your spatula. Kids love cookies a lot during Christmas, so spoil them a little and add some sugar for once. You see it's coming together. Let's make it really well combined before we add the egg. Doing this right now makes me remember me trying to make a fondant for Chinoso's birthday cake. This is what I had to do to make the fondant. It's fun baking, guys. I'm really learning. Alright, it's creamy now. Now I'm gonna crack in 1 egg. I only showed 2 eggs just for video sake, but I just need 1 egg. And then the vanilla, this is not a full teaspoon, so I'm gonna measure out another half a teaspoon to make it complete teaspoon. Perfect. We mix it in. So now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients, starting with the all-purpose flour. Remember the cornstarch, baking soda, and the salt. And we combine again. Alright, the flour is well blended into the mixture of egg and sugar. Of course, the next and final thing for now is to add the chocolate chip. Add as much as you want. Remember, it's chocolate chip and this is dark chocolate, 100%. And we just mix it in. If you have pecan, you could chop it into pieces and put it in it. That brings it to another level also, makes it nice. I don't have pecan, so we're gonna make do with just this. So now our cookie dough is ready. You can use 2 tablespoons of, scoop 2 tablespoons and roll it into a bowl and pop it in your tray. But I'm using the ice cream scoop, so I'm just going to roll it into a bowl and place it and the baking pan. You scoop another one, roll. And when I'm done rolling, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for like an hour to set the dough. That's gonna help it stay properly when you get into the oven. You know, like how you make cookie and sometimes some of it scatters, kind of have different shapes. When you put it in the fridge, it helps to set the dough, okay? The reason I use the cup and the kind of a cup and a half of dark chocolate, this chocolate chips is actually made for cookies, all right? Is to make sure every bite of it you bite into a chocolate. That's the fun of the chocolate cookie. Okay, how many was I able to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Anyway, normally I get like 20, but this is 18. So right now, I'm taking it into the fridge to rest for an hour. This will set the dough, alright? So see you in an hour. Alright guys, welcome back. It's an hour. You see that? As you can see, this is a firmly set right now. Now they could all bake evenly. So right now I'm gonna go pop it into the oven. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, but right now I'm gonna reduce it to 325 so it could bake between 15 to 18 minutes. So see you after 18 minutes. Alright guys, this is the cookie. It's ready. Look at that. I already cut this one off. It looks so nice. Crunchy outside, soft inside. That is what that cornstarch can do for you. Amazing. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and let it cool all the way and store it in a jar so my kids can have their snack anytime they want. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. I appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave me a comment. Happy Vlogmas! Bye!